guys, today we are going to learn about the topic is one of the another algorithm. It is KNN algorithm. So the role of KNN algorithm is very simple. We have a two data, cat and dog, and the third one is unknown data, right? So what this KNN algorithm is going to do? It is basically allocated in the graphical representation, which means x and y axis, right? So now what we will do? We will check the new data is going to be similar to which data. So we have a three terms KNN, K nearest neighbor, NEIGHBO. So what do you mean by this K nearest neighbor? What is the value of K? What is the nearest? What is the neighbor? I will tell you one thing. My new data is totally black. The new data is totally black data. Now I want to finalize this data belongs to dog or cat. For me, I can say it is a cat. Why? Because in this allocated area, you can see k equals to 3, right? Out of 3, 2 are red, in which red is defined cat, blue is defining dog. So out of 3, 2 are red, 1 is blue, which means majority is saying 2 is greater than 1. So 2 is defined by red here. Red is defined by cat. So my new data is cat. So k value is what? My new data is allocated with how many data? So allocated with 3 data, right? 3 means nearest neighbor. Nearest neighbor is nearest to cat. Got it? Out of total 3, it is nearest to the cat because cat is allocated more as compared to the dog. That is KNN algorithm is saying you, right? It always allocated you in the form of x and y axis, guys. So initial data, this is the initial data. Calculate the distance. We are going to calculate the distance out of this area. We can find out 1 to 3, 1 to 3, class A, class B, k equals to 3. When we make a circulate, so out of 3, we can see class B is having 2, class A is having only 1 data. So new data is belongs to green. Like that, you can make sure that what is the actual data it is, right? So just a minute. The person took 3, right? Now, if I was taking the circle in the form of like this, suppose suppose this is my data, suppose this is my circle. Now, not this circle, I want to talk about this circle. In this circle, how many reds are there? 1, 2, 3. Calculate. Red is 3. Calculate. Blue is 2. K equals to 5 because new data is allocated with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Total 5. Right? Nearest to, nearest to, nearest to red. Red is cat. 5 is nearest to cat. My outcome is cat. Huh? So this is what we are doing in KNN algorithm. Let's go with my notes here. You can see what is the first one. We need to look at the data. Okay, after looking at the data, we are going to calculate the distance. How much is the distance? Then we are going to find out the nearest path. Okay, how much? See, this is what we are doing here. First, I was looking on my data, right? Uh, First, I was looking on my data. This is my data. Yeah, calculate the distance. Calculate the distance means I need to calculate the distance with each and every data. Second point. The third point, what we are going to do? Third point is find neighbor. Find neighbor means how much distance the neighbor. It is nearest. It is little more nearest. It is more nearest. Okay. Then vote on the label. We are going to voting. We are going to start the vote. This one is some part. This is the one of the part. This is the one of the part. Okay, maybe 2 meter, maybe 3 meter, maybe this one is 4 meter. So like that, we are going to follow the step by step process here, guys. First, we are going to collect the data. Then we are choose the new animal, choose the k value, calculate the distance, right? Find the nearest neighbor, and majority votings are going to be happened. We are going to complete workflow is there. We are going to collect the data, then choose the k value, calculate the distance, find the k nearest, majority votings, predict class. Majority votings is saying that it is related, it is similar to the cat because total two datas are there which is in the red, one is only in the blue. Okay, this is all about the KN. Very very easy, guys. And how it is totally different from the CNN. What we are doing now, we are talking about the features and we are deep diving into it, but KNN is not like that. In KNN we are just checking the nearest. Okay, nearest to the cat or dog, nearest. Like I was taking apple and banana, and I was giving another one is orange. Orange is nearest to the cat based on the distance, based on the features. That is what is happening in the KNN algorithm. Thank you. I hope you understand. Right? Chalo, bye guys.